just do this for you. Sit back and just watch us bubble. We come with more heat than the sun do. Gorillas out of the concrete jungle. We came to just do this for you. Sit back and just watch us bubble. Gorillas out of the concrete jungle. We come with more heat.
What if maid coming to my home to clean my home ask my mom, "Nim maga yen martane?" And my mom is like, "Nan maga joker idane." That would be very awkward, you know. And one thing as a stand-up comedian, what I realized is never do practical jokes on doctors. What if they return back that to us? It would be so weird, right? Like a person is standing in front of ICU and doctor comes, "Hey, Mrs. Gupta, your husband, his hands are not moving, legs are not moving, eyes are not moving. I think he went to coma." Mrs. Gupta is like, "Oh my God, what happened to my husband?" Doctor is now like, "Hey, Mrs. Gupta, just kidding, don't worry. He is actually dead." Okay, how many selfie fans here? Yeah, most of you, 99%. Fine. You might live without food but not without selfie. Yeah. I will tell you what girls do. Whenever they take a new cell phone, but they want to make everyone know that they have brought a new cell phone. What would they do? They take a selfie in front of mirror and post it on Facebook so that everybody comes to know what they have taken. Fine. And recently, Modi initiated a very good initiative called Swachh Bharat Andolan. I see people going there for Swachh Bharat Andolan, but nobody cleaning the roads. Everybody are taking selfies with the broomsticks. And after the cleaning campaign, 10 people are standing like this, and one person in the middle is with a broomstick and taking a photograph. Is it a selfie or is it a broomstick or a World Cup? Fine. And even Modi seeing that is like very confused. Is it Swachh Bharat Andolan or Selfie Bharat Andolan? Fine. Isn't it so weird? And even selfie is being so obsessed. I tell you, boys, listen very carefully. Whenever girls take selfies, there is a lot of engineering involved in that. I'll explain you how. First of all, they take out their cell phone and they hold it something like this. But now, if this is a line of normal, they will make their face orthogonal to the cell phone. But their eyes remain geostationary to the camera. Listen, all of a sudden, to increase the productivity of the selfie, they bring engineering mathematics into play. Their upper lip grows exponentially and lower lip decays exponentially. This is what happens. Fine. The way nowadays everybody are taking selfies, the one thing I feel is, in the coming days, selfie will be made mandatory for passport as well as Aadhaar card. Your passport officer is like, "Sir, would you give me your passport size selfie, please?" Fine. Talking about selfies, and whenever I'm doing comedy, I love talking about cricket. Fine. And talking of cricket, whenever I watch cricket, my mom has got a very bad habit of cleaning the TV only when I'm watching it. Yes. And now whenever I watch cricket on Star Sports, and whenever I watch cricket on Star Sports, a Star Sports logo comes, and a very manly voice comes there and says, "Now you're watching Star Sports. Don't miss the match between India and Pakistan 5 p.m. today." That is what I'm watching. That is why I'm watching the TV. It's something like Star Sports coming to you on Star Sports and telling you on Star Sports that you're watching Star Sports while you're already watching Star Sports. That is really weird. Fine. Now when I talk about cricket, I love Indian cricket bowling lineup. We have bowlers, very different bowlers. Like we have a bowler called Ashish Nehra. Heard of him? At the age of 37, he is so old. Sometimes I feel that he is a citizen of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro dynasty. I would completely believe if someone say me that he is the founder of Indus Valley civilization. And one more fast bowler we have called Munaf Patel. Heard of his name, everyone? His fast balls travels at high speeds like 70 km/h. Imagine how slow his slow ball would be. Yeah, Munaf Patel, he is one such bowler. He bowls so slow that even batsman is confused. Is he playing the present ball or the previous ball? Yeah, Munaf Patel, whenever even the Flipkart boy can deliver the ball faster to the batsman than Munaf Patel. Whenever Munaf Patel is bowling at you, in one ball you have time to play at least 2 shots. Go down the field, miss the shot, nothing to worry about. Take 1 step back and hit it for a boundary. He is so slow that his nickname is BSNL 3G. And whenever I talk about cricket, I love to screw Pakistan team. And Pakistan team, I say, one thing common in between Pakistan country and their bowlers is low economy rate. Their economy is so weak that their captain Misbah would carry that 1 rupee coin back to Pakistan after the match. The coin used for toss. Fine. And regularly when I watch cricket, Pakistan cricket, I pity they can never win a match against us. I'll say you why. Whenever they look at their players, they had a player called Kamran Akmal. You heard of Kamran Akmal? He was a Pakistani wicket keeper who hardly used to catch the catches. Yeah, he used to drop so many catches. Like behind every man there is a successful woman, behind every successful batsman there is Kamran Akmal. At one point of time, Misbah-ul-Haq, their captain, he got angry on Kamran Akmal and told Kamran Akmal, go shoot yourself. Kamran Akmal took it very seriously. He went into the dressing room, took a gun and shot into his head. Now Misbah is feeling bad. But after a few seconds, Kamran Akmal came out of the dressing room with the gun and said, Misbah bhai, ye bhi miss ho gaya. If you pick the 11th player from all the teams, still Kamran Akmal would be the 12th player. Like Kamran Akmal, he is such a bad wicket keeper. Like Pakistan, I suggest Pakistan team make him as your father of nation and Mauka Mauka as your national anthem. And like they have got one more player called Shahid Afridi. Yeah, boom boom, whatever the hell. They have got Shahid Afridi. Now this fellow Shahid Afridi, he is one person who have multiple retirements but never retires. Yeah, and that is the thing common in between him and our politicians. They never retire. Anyways, retirement is for those people who work. Fine. Shahid Afridi is one person. He's like a Ganesha idol on the dashboard of your car. He will be always there, but he doesn't do any work. Fine. Shahid Afridi, they say he is their best all-rounder. Yes, he is their best all-rounder because he never bats, never bowls, never fields, and don't even know to speak English. Yeah, even Pakistan whole team doesn't know to speak English. For God's sake, they should learn English. Or at least they should try some Rapidex dictionaries. Or at least they should borrow a book from us, magical book from India, learn English in 30 days. Yeah? Or at least try some wine or alcohol, because boys know it very well. Tobacco causes cancer. Tobacco causes cancer and alcohol causes English. Yes? Okay. This is what is about Pakistan team, but they have got a even weird commentator called as Ramiz Raja. He makes so obvious commentaries. He says statements like, the team that doesn't win will be on the losing side. The match will be over any point from now. These are so obvious commentaries. Yes, he is clearly the Rahul Gandhi of Pakistan. Yeah, even when he was born, doctors told to his parents, "Congrats, aapko dhoka hua hai." Yes, normally, that is my favorite topic is I speak of one thing that brings India and Pakistan together. Fine, but I say one thing, let's all hope wholeheartedly that one day India and Pakistan will become one country. And we will name that country as India. Yes? Yeah, but apart from all these things, one thing that brings everyone from Kashmir to Kanyakumari together is the kids' education in India. I hope everybody can draw it. If I ask you to draw now, it's drawing the scenery. For quite obvious reasons, it will be two mountains, one river and one sun. And the sun will be rising from a valley itself. It doesn't rise anywhere. Yes? And this scenery will obviously have a wooden house. Obviously a chimney, exactly square windows, and a rectangular door, which will be always half open. And these roads have their own private roads, these doors. And the width of the door is equal to width of the road. Yes? And it will have birds, and birds come in group of 3s and 5s. They can be drawn in the shape of R and M. And suddenly, to increase the creativity of this, kids, what they do is, they bring vector mathematics into that. Sun will have eyelashes. One big, one small, one big, one small. And now teacher is confused. Everybody have drawn the same thing, whom to give the prize to. And one topper in the class like Avinash, he gets the prize and everybody is like surprised what he has done. He has drawn the reflection of the mountain in the river. As at this point of time, there will be some kids, other kids also who doesn't listen to their teacher. They have drawn only one mountain. And teacher asks, where is the other mountain? Hanuman le gaya. Okay. And talking about marriages in India, parents doesn't allow love marriages in India. And even the advantage of love marriage is that men and women are treated equally. Women, please make some noise if you feel that women are equal to men in all fields. Make some noise, women, if you really feel so. No? Then I have a question for you. Why are you still fighting for women's rights? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't get answer. I am a comedian. And by the way, I have got, like in India, love marriages. What happens with love marriages? You don't get dowry. You only get blessings. Women, again, make some noise if you feel that taking dowry is a bad on the part of the man who takes it. Yes, women? Yes, that's again your misconception. I have an explanation. What we take in dowry? Television. That is what you people keep on watching Balaji serials all day. They give houses where your government runs. They give refrigerator, fridges, where you stuff in all the groceries. At the max, we will have 2 bottles in the corner. Chill. Indirectly, when we take dowry, we are fighting for women's rights. I am also an engineer and you people are engineers. I will say you what happens with engineers. Whenever an engineer get engaged for his marriage, the boys have only one question: how does Bobby look? Is Bobby good looking or no? But the Bobby is something like fiancé. Yes? Okay. Some people don't know what's Bobby. And they have come to final year engineering. How does his fiancé look? And everybody asks the question, how does your fiancé look? But the problem is, if that person's fiancé is not so good looking, he will be forfeiting that question. Yeah, I have heard that you have got engagement. How is Bobby? Yeah, her nature is very good, man. Yeah, I have heard that she... No, forget about her nature. Nature ka kya achar dalenge? Tell how does she look? Tell how does she look? She even cooks very well, man. He will never answer. How does she look? And even that person asked, heard that Bobby is working. How does she look? How much she earns? Her nature is very good, man. Yeah, the nature of the average looking girls will be so good that their DP's profile pictures also will be of nature, river, sun, so on. Yes, and there will be one boy always ready to comment on whatever display pictures they put. This is not a pic, this is epic. And girls, they put anything. One girl had put a display picture, profile picture of a sun. And for that also one boy is commenting, looking very hot. Yes. The biggest problem what I face is when kids come into my home with my relatives. The biggest problem. They keep on watching Pogo television all day. They never watch me to watch my own channels. One kid had come from last 2 days. He is watching Pogo. I too started knowing what Doraemon is. I was really fed up, and on a small research I came to know this kid identifies the channels only based on the channel logo, which will be on the top right of the television. That a logo called Pogo. So I went to the market, brought a Pogo sticker and stuck it on my television. Now this kid, whatever channel I watch, he is with the perception that he is watching Pogo. But this is not a problem. The problem begins, whatever characters he watch, he will compare them with the Pogo characters. All of a sudden I was seeing that Devil song of Salman Khan, where Nargis Fakhri and Salman Khan were dancing, and this kid asked, who is that He-Man and Donald Duck? He saw Arnab Goswami with the interview, what are these Tom and Jerry doing? Fighting so badly. That is the problem. I switched on to news channel where in Congress press meet was going on between Rahul Gandhi and Manmohan Singh. Rahul Gandhi, yeah, you people love him, I know that. Rahul Gandhi, he saw Rahul Gandhi and started shouting, Mr. Bean, Mr. Bean. I was like surprised, how does this kid know? I asked him, who is that person with the beard beside him? He told that is Mr. Bean's teddy bear. And now I really understood that is so true. Mr. Bean's teddy bear will be with Mr. Bean in all the episodes, but never speaks. And Mr. Bean uses and molests it however he wants. Yes? And speaking of Rahul Gandhi and Manmohan Singh is such a character, he is a so good character. The template can't speak WhatsApp only was invented by him only. Yes? And you know, Manmohan Singh, when he was the Prime Minister, Chinese invaded India. They came 19 kilometers into India and Manmohan Singh had no idea. One day morning, his assistant went and told him, sir, Chinese have come. Yavan Chinese heditha. I only love Italian. Italian. Fine. That's all from me, guys. Thank you, your great audience.